Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a note on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New. If you want to create a new note, just click to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can select the supernote, the text note, or the mind mapping. Click to the supernote option, for example. You can draw, you can add different pictures, different textures and colors, and you can make your own new note. You can add a title that, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the upper left corner of the home screen. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.